to make Penne Rigate pasta. And this is a really easy recipe and I hope you like it. These are the ingredients. What you'll be needing is 1.5 cups of pasta, 1.5 cups of tomato sauce, 6 teaspoons of cheese, any types of cheese will work, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon Cajun seasoning, you can use pepper if you don't have this, garnish, half teaspoon parsley flakes, you can use this for garnish later, half teaspoon of Italian herbs. The first step, what you'll be needing is your pot with water, and you want to set the flame to medium heat. Okay, the next step is you're going to be taking your Penne Rigate pasta and be placing it into the boiling water. And then, while we're waiting for the pasta, we're going to be making the sauce. Okay, for this, you'll be taking your 3 ingredients, Cajun powder, garlic seasoning, and some Italian herbs. You'll be just adding all of them into it. You want to make sure you add it little by little or else it's going to overpower. So you're going to put a little bit and then start to stir, and then put a little bit and then start to stir.
And you're going to do that with all the spices.
After you let the pasta boil for 25 minutes, you're going to give it a little stir, and you want to turn off the heat completely. And you're going to take a small dish, and you're going to save some pasta water for later. You're going to take your pasta, and you're going to strain it in the sink. Directly after, you're going to take your pasta and you're just going to leave it in the sink. And then you're going to come over here, take your pasta water and add it to the sauce we made it before. And after you do that, you're going to give it one nice stir. After you take your strained pasta, you're going to add it back into the bowl that you're using to cook it. And you're going to take your pasta sauce, and you're going to add it right on top of the pasta. And you want to make sure you get all of it into the bowl. And after you do that, you're going to give it a nice stir. Okay, after you gave your pasta a good stir, you're going to plate it into your bowl. You can serve as much as you'd like. And then after you plate it, you're going to take your cheese and you're going to give it a generous sprinkle right on top. And after you do that, you're going to take your parsley flakes and you're going to grab some and just garnish it right on top. This is my way, my special way to make Penne Rigate pasta. I love this recipe and I hope you guys try it, and yeah, thank you for watching.